Yeah, okay, for this stirring equipment, here we can see it will have a auto start button, and we can by here to setting the time. Yes, setting for example 20 seconds or 30 seconds. By here, after we set this, the stirrer will rotating automatically, and this one showing the speed. We can buy this to change the speed, faster, rotate faster or slower. Yeah. This is we turn this one to auto, and then only press this button, and it can work automatically down and automatically rotate to the setting time, and automatically up to finish this operation. This part is for the argon gas. If we want to fill in the argon gas into the liquid, and you can connect here into the road. It will fill into the aluminum liquid. And in here, this is the gas coming from this tube, soft tube. Yeah.